so today's stitch, this is called the single crochet clusters, or you can call it the tiny clusters. But you will have a row of single crochet clusters and a single crochet row. This is the front side, and here's what the back side looks like. So I'm just using a medium 4-weight yarn, and for the hook on this one, I'm using a 4.5. You can use any yarn you'd like and any size hook you would like. It may be best to use the size of hook that the yarn that you're using recommends, or you can just do your own thing. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get started on this project. Okay, guys, to get started on this, we are going to do any even number. So I'm going to start with a slip knot to start this project off. So I'm just going to wrap it around my finger, take the working yarn, pull it through the loop, insert my hook, and pull to tighten. And with the working yarn right here, you'll start. So any even number. So I guess I'll do about 16. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Well, I'm going to do 18, 17, and 18. Okay, so to start your first row, it's going to be single crochet. So you can either single crochet in each of the chains, or you can turn this and work in these back bumps that you see back here. Okay, so I'm going to, I guess I'll go ahead and work in the chains real quick for you guys. All right, so you'll work 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. There's the first chain, and here's the second chain. 1 single crochet. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so that's our first row. So for row 2, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. Now we're going to start our single crochet clusters. So we're going to single crochet in this first stitch that we did our chain 1. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's a single crochet. Don't forget to chain 1. Okay, so now we're going to make our single crochet cluster, and we are going to start in the next stitch here. So we're just going to pull up 3 loops. So you insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. That was 1 loop. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. That was your second. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Okay, so now you have your 3 loops from those stitches plus the loop that's on your hook. So you have 4 loops. So you're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. You just made a single crochet cluster and chain 1. So now to start your next single crochet cluster, you're actually going to begin with the last stitch made. So, and remember, you'll always need 4 loops on your hook. So you'll do 3. You'll always do 3 stitches, which this one will count as your 4th loop. So insert your hook in that last stitch you just made. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. Okay, let's do it again. Insert your hook in that last stitch made. Yarn over, pull through. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. This is what it's looking like now. Okay, so let's repeat that. Insert your hook in the last stitch made. Yarn over, pull through. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook, and chain 1. And you're going to repeat that till you get to the last stitch of the row. There we go. And don't forget to chain 1. Let's do it again. That's 1, 2, and 3. You know, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1. We're going to do it one more time. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to pull through all 4 loops, chain 1. You should have 1 stitch left. You're going to single crochet in that last stitch, and there's your second row. So now you're going to chain 1, turn your work. So now you're going to single crochet in every stitch all the way across. It may look a little messy, but if you turn it this way, you can see your V's, and so you can see your stitches this way. So start your first single crochet where you did your chain 1. So this is where your first single crochet, and you should have the same amount of single crochets across this row as you did the bottom row. And if you don't, you've missed a chain 1 or something on the previous row. So I should have 17 for this sample. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see the V's. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 'Some of them are kind of tight. 16 and 17. That's what it looks like. Chain 1, turn your work. And that's going to be your repeat. 1 row of single crochet, 1 row of clusters. Okay, so start the next row of clusters. You're going to do a single crochet in that first stitch where you did your chain 1. Single crochet, now chain 1. Okay, now we're going to do our clusters. So we're going to insert our hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, insert our hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, insert our hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop. We have 4 loops on our hook. All right, and chain 1. Apologize for the yarn attachment there. I didn't realize that was on there. Okay, so once again, we're going to repeat what we did here. We're going to insert our hook in that last stitch made, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through all 4, and chain 1. And you're going to repeat that all the way across. That was 1, 2, and 3. Pull through all 4 loops, chain 1. And just don't forget to do your chain 1 after your first single crochet, or you'll be 1 stitch short for the next row. Because sometimes I find myself, I forget to do that single crochet. Do that chain 1 after that first single crochet. But see how you can see your stitches? All right, just keep repeating this all the way across. And off 4 loops, chain 1. It's 1, 2, 3, and chain 1. 1, 2, 3, all 4 loops, chain 1, and a single crochet in the last stitch. That's what it's looking like now. Very pretty. Okay, now chain 1, turn your work. Now this will be your single crochet row, and like I said, it's a little messy, but there, you can see them real good that way. Just look for your V's, and like I said, you should have the same amount of single crochets as you did down here. So I should have 17. So my first single crochet is going to be where I did my chain 1. It's 1. If I turn my work, see, I can see that V. 2. I tried to do this with it turned. 3. And some of these are tight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just keep working in the V's. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and the last one, 17. There you are. That's all there is to it. It's the single crochet cluster. Okay, so for your last row, go ahead and do a single crochet as your last row. So here is the stitch. I hope you guys enjoy this. I think it's a very pretty stitch, and you can do a lot of things with this. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something new today. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.